Bryce Whitty here from Technibble.com, and in this video I want to share with you what to do when Facebook or Google ads don't bring in any work. So I often hear from techs that Facebook or Google ads don't work for their business, but the thing is that Facebook or Google advertising shouldn't be looked at as a standalone item in your marketing. It's actually part of a much larger stack. So when someone says it didn't work for me, there are actually many parts of a campaign that could have dropped the ball. For example, are they targeting people who are likely to convert? Was their offer any good? Was the messaging for that offer any good? The messaging on Facebook needs to be different to something on Google search, since Facebook's a social place. Was the image they use eye-catching? Did they get a bunch of clicks from it but no sales? And if that's the case, they need to ask, was the traffic directed at a landing page, or did they just land them at the front page? Was the sales copy on that landing page any good? And did it have a call to action? Sort of any one of these could be a weak link that can break the entire chain, resulting in Facebook or Google ads not working. So you need to look at both Google ads and Facebook ads as just a single part of an entire marketing campaign, and make sure that the rest of your stack is up to scratch to catch leads.